I shoot my shot and don't miss shit. I treat this hoe like a classroom. We just fuck her and dismiss. She wanna fuck cause I'm up, but she can't get nothing but this dick. See, my niggas really do drills and be in the field. Pick six, go low. Be honest, you not tryna ride. My young nigga slide, same Nick. Treat a fuck nigga like art. Let's make a collage and paint shit.
What's up, guys? It's Visuals, and we back with another video, you feel me? But today I'm gonna be going to the store real quick. I'm about to go to the store, and I'm gonna be getting a sign, and I'm gonna say, honk to make my grandma mad for a YouTube video. And I'm gonna just see how she reacts to that, because she has like real bad road rage. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm about to take my grandma's car to the store, because my car's not really working right now. Alright guys, so I just got the stuff. I got packaging tape, and I bought a Sharpie, and obviously this big old paper. I got packaging tape because I feel like it wouldn't damage the car as much as like duct tape would. So yeah, now I just need to figure out where I want to do this, and start writing on it and stuff like that, what I actually want to write on it. But yeah, you'll see when I start writing on it. Alright you guys, I'm just now getting home. I'm parking on the side of the street, like, I'll show you guys in a second. I'm parking on the side of the street so my grandma doesn't know I'm home. And then I'm about to fill this out on the sidewalk right here, but it is windy as fuck. Alright guys, it is windy as fuck out here, so the wind is fucking up my hair. About to get my grandma right now and tell her we're gonna go to Dutch, and we're not going to one by my house, we're going to one that's pretty far, so that we can get as many honks as we can. Look, I'm kinda nervous. Yeah, I'll show y'all. Waiting on her to come out. Oh, there she is. Oh, shit.
What the hell?
What the fuck was that for?
I guess they didn't turn right as fast as he wanted them to.
That's a cop next to you, so slow
Next
down.
to me?
Yes, in that black car.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, I wonder why that guy honked.
Because he didn't know it was a cop, that I can guarantee you.
The fuck?
Is that somebody who knows us?
No, that was two different cars.
Is there something?
Why would it be us?
Have we got something hanging off our car or something?
No.
Something on top of our car?
No, I was just walking around the car.
Why in the fuck is everybody blowing their horn then? Alright, what the hell? Are you sure that's not somebody who knows us?
Yes, I just looked at them.
Every time they go past us, they blow their horn.
I just looked at them. It's no one we know. What the fuck?
And there's nothing wrong with our car.
No, I was just walking around it. I was literally putting gas in it just now. You know I have to walk around the car from the driver's side to the around the back and stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna blow my horn at him. No, I'm not.
You're not?
No.
Yeah, no, you don't want to do
I
that.
don't want to do that.
You just damn near cut that guy off.
Yes, I did. No less. Is that the same guy?
No, that's a... No.
Are you sure?
Yes. Damn, they ran damn near a red light. Did you hear that?
What?
Someone else honked. I don't know, maybe that one wasn't for us though. I don't know if any of these are for us. I doubt it.
I'm confused. I just want to go home.
I doubt any of these are for us, to be honest. Should I wait? I'm gonna start recording just in case. See
What,
if
all
it-
these
Yeah, all
crazy
these
people?
Yes, all these people
Well,
honking.
they'll stop it now.
You think so?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Andrew, what have you done? Did you put a sign on this car that says,
No.
blow your horn at us?
No, why would I do that? You really?
Honk if you're horny or something like that?
No.
Did you put something on this car? Because everybody that passes us is blowing the horn. I don't understand. I do not understand. I'm going to ask the girl.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm embarrassed. This is the dumbest thing I ever heard of. Has it happened 6 times since we left home?
Yeah, I think so. But I don't
It's
even know if they're
crazy.
for us.
Why is everybody that goes past us honking? I'm not because I'm
It's not
driving
past
slow.
us, most of us. Or most of the time it's not past us.
As they go by, they're honking.
Well, I mean, you did kind of turn on a red light. So,
I had to turn on
no,
a
I'm
red
talking
light,
about when
but
we were
people
turning in
didn't
here.
stop.
When we were turning right here, the guy that was driving past when we were turning in here, he honked maybe because you turned on a red light.
No, he wouldn't have waited till now.
To catch up to us, yeah.
No. The
Yeah.
first time, the same car did it like 4 times, and I still think it was somebody that knew us.
You think so?
Yeah.
Maybe.
But now everybody's doing it.
Yeah,
It's
no, I
hot
don't
in
even
here.
know. I don't even know if tape could hold a sign onto the car. You can't. There's nothing. I don't even see anything. I don't see anything in the mirror.
You got it somewhere.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. You must put a sign on this car that says honk. Honk at the
Oh,
old
that's a nice
lady.
Mustang.
Honk at the old lady or something.
Okay, I guess.
No, I
Maybe it's
all
because
right,
you
I
suck
cut-
at driving.
No, I don't suck at driving. You suck at driving. You
Who?
don't honk at me.
How? Explain.
You drive like a damn fool.
Okay,
That's
I
why.
drive fast. That's
Yes.
it.
I'm waiting on her to come back. I'm waiting on that truck behind us to honk at me.
Okay.
If he honks at me, I'm going to get out of my car
Okay.
and go ask him, why did you honk at me?
Okay.
I'm going to hold up this whole line and get out of the car and go ask him,
You
why
won't.
did you honk? Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will. Well, oh, come on.
What the fuck?
All right, I'm getting out and I'm going to go ask those people why they're honking at us.
The light's about to turn green.
Well, did they not go?
No.
Seriously, are these people honking at us?
I don't know.
Did
because
you
I
put
think
a sign on my
I think
car?
the light turned green.
No, you put a sign on my car.
Oh my god.
You did. I know you did.
How? With what money?
I don't. You taped a sign on my car.
With
that
what money?
said honk if you're stupid or something like that.
Why would people honk it?
I don't know. Honk if you're horny. Honk if you're. I don't know. Honk if you like girls. I don't know. Because I did notice you parked out in front of the house instead of. But that wouldn't have mattered because I don't walk around the car no matter what. Oh my God, there it goes again. Andrew, something's wrong.
I didn't put anything on the car.
Why are people honking at me then?
I don't know.
That's the 8th person that's honked at me. You did something, I know you did.
I didn't put anything on the car. Even if I taped something on the car, that would mess up the paint.
Then why are people honking at me? You did something, you had to do. I'm never driving again if people are going to honk at me all the time.
Oh no, do you think we should pull over and see if there's anything?
Yes, I do.
Okay, pull over somewhere then.
I'm going to pull over and pull in this. There has to be a reason people are honking at me. People don't just honk for no reason.
Okay. Well, I mean, what if there's nothing though?
Well, there has to be a reason. People are not that crazy. Is this good?
Yeah, probably.
All right, now I'm going to check my car.
I'm not. There's nothing. I don't see anything. I don't see anything.
Oh my God! Oh! I could kill you. I could absolutely kill you. And everybody at Dutch saw that. Andrew, I'm going to kill you. Get that off my car right now. Oh my God. No wonder everybody in the world's been honking at me. Get this off my car. Oh my God.
You want to leave it on?
No!
Why not?
I don't want to leave it on.
Why not?
I feel like an idiot.
You're messing up my board.
I feel like an idiot.
You're messing up my thing.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna mess up worse than that. You're dead.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like it. Here. I'm gonna kill you. That girl at Dutch was so serious when I told her everybody was honking at me.
She looked at me and I was like, I was telling her to be quiet.
She was very good at it. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. Oh my God.
Why do you think I had the window cracked so the phone could hear it better?
So the phone could hear the honking. Oh
Yeah.
my God. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I am not safe at all. Every day it's something else. Every day.
I told you I was finna start pranking you for this YouTube shit, you feel me?
Yeah, but this is crazy. People honking at me. I just wanted to go home and get in bed.
You gonna show Becky and all them?
Oh yes. Oh yes. They already think you're a dipshit. Wait till they see this one.
Yup. They already think I'm a dipshit?
Yes. Wait till they see this one. Lynn's gonna kick your butt.
Why?
Because the way you treat your grandma.
You don't realize how bad I wanted the guy to honk that you cut off?
Oh my God. I feel like such an asshole. I feel like such an idiot.
That's why I was talking so much shit. Would have given
I
it
wondered
away.
why you couldn't get gas with me when we got Dutch. I thought maybe you were trying to go run and see your girl or something.
I think it was a good prank.
Well, it was better than the last one. At least I didn't feel like I was having a heart attack when it was over. I wanted to kill you. At least I didn't think I was having a heart attack. Policeman. Now the sign's gone and you don't have to worry.
I was so scared for cops. I'm not gonna, when I saw those cops coming down the road and shit, I was like, fuck. Alright, well, I'm done recording for right now. I have like 40 minutes worth of
You're going to have
video
a lot
clips.
of editing to do.
Yeah, no, I have like 40 minutes worth of editing clips to edit, so I'm gonna stop recording right here.
Make it home, I feel you, nigga. Tell that bitch that I needed a perky before I lay down and fuck. Get them bags out the truck, we gon' load up the truck. I need more and more money, I can't get enough. If they set up they shop, but we ain't burn it up. Real hitter, no flies, and he up, he gon' dump. When you playin' with me, bitch, you killing yourself. We gon' bring you that smoke however you want. Double G, 4K, tray, put that on dump.